Edge features a 6.6-inch POLED display, which is going to give you 144 Hz refresh rate at an FHD plus resolution. It's got a new quick button as well as fast charging and AI camera and a 32 megapixel ultra wide camera. Upgraded to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 with 8 gigs of onboard RAM. It starts off at 250 gigs of storage, giving you plenty to be able to game, to surf, to make content, or just to browse. Of the Moto 2024 edition phones, this has honestly been the most sleek, aesthetically pleasing, and just nice in the hand. It is so light. It's got this nice faux leather touch here. It's got really nice chamfered rounded edges. You've got the aluminum chassis and this nice round over. This takes me back to college when I got my first smartphone, and it was a Samsung. It was the Samsung Edge 7S. It was really nice having these clean chamfered edges, but I think Moto did it great. With a 5,000 milliamp battery here, you can hardly even tell that it's there. You've got this nice new button on the top left, so if you want to use it as your shutter, or you can use it as an action button to be able to access your games, take screenshots, you name it. What I like about the cameras here is it's just really clean. It's really large cameras, 50 megapixels, including a 13 megapixel ultra wide. This is going to give you a nice optical image stabilization, and then the front facing camera is really nice as well at 32 megapixels. It's got an IP68 rating. You got a nice speaker. You've also got your microphone, USB Type-C, and your SIM port. It does not have the 3.5 millimeter jack, so this is going to be more of your modern phone. But look at that. It looks really clean in the hand. You got your volume rocker and power button, which are definitely plastic, but I really like this aluminum frame, which is going to give you such a nice ergonomic feel as well as aesthetically pleasing phone. Look at that. It's just nice in the hand. The best part about it is a fraction of the price. The fingerprint reader is nice and snappy. It just immediately goes on there. It's really easy to adjust. I really like Android 14 being able to customize this however you like. 144 Hz refresh rate is really easy. It's really nice to have, and it even has a nice built-in game hub, which is great for you to be able to make content, game. It's very nice and customizable. I like the animations. I like the notifications. You can obviously set up your new button. I press the button and it takes me to the Moto app. Scrolling makes it super easy, and you can definitely tell with that 144 Hz display that you'll be able to see in really vivid FHD plus. I mean, those colors just look really nice. It's really easy and pleasing to the touch. It doesn't strain your eyes, and it can become very, very bright. I really like that. For a budget phone like this, it's really crazy how amazing
It's such a treat.
You can see the bezels here go all the way to the edge and curve all the way down. Playing some Minecraft and getting started, it just looks really clean. With this back being so nice and comfortable, I really like being able to play long sessions. Makes it for real easy play. Immediately boots up. It just looks super clean. We've got that 144 Hz. It just looks really good and really nice in the hand. I really like that. I'm downloading another
Unite
game
came out
along
recently.
the way. This is awesome to play. My camera doesn't do it justice, but this looks so vibrant. I have it on the performance mode, and being able to play like this is really a treat. It's clean in the hand. It's not overly hot. You can feel that it's definitely, to the touch, it's a little bit warmer, but having this nice leather pad, leather back makes it really nice. Unite added some extra neon colors, but it's basically the same game through and through. I really like it. Got super fast charging up to 15 watts. This is gonna charge so fast on this Nomad charging bank. It's called the Nomad Base. It's what I use. It's awesome. Throwing it on there, immediately starts charging. It's gonna charge at that super fast charge rate, or if you want it faster with the provided cord, just plug in USB Type-C.
OIS camera is pretty impressive when it takes pictures, and it does just as much with the 4K. It does punch in a little bit into the center to get that 4K, but as you see here, I'm shooting my yard, getting some shots of the peach tree, showing you low light situation, direct light with sunlight, and showing you the contrast here in those different light situations. It's got pretty good stabilization with that built-in OIS.